Welcome to Herman Hits the Road. I'm Ads and this is Zoe. And in today's video, not everything goes according to plan, but we do try to make a blackberry and apple pie for nothing in Herman. It is a bank holiday weekend and we are at Bearsted Caravan and Motorhome Club site in Kent, right next door to Maidstone, and just over there is actually Leeds Castle. It's a short walk away, so we're not too far away from that. Not really been looking forward to this weekend because the weather apparently is going to be terrible compared to what it has been like. In fact, last night it chucked it down, and all night that was, and we're on grass, as you can see down there, so hopefully, I mean, it's okay at the moment, it feels okay, yeah. But hopefully we'll be able to get off it when we leave. We're also supposed to meet Chaz and Liz here, but they've had a bit of a disaster at home, so we may not see them this weekend, but fingers crossed that we do. And then the other thing is, we're going to have a look around the campsite, see what kind of COVID rules and all that kind of thing that they've put in place for us. Again, it's different from the other campsites that we've been to. Well, there's the entrance, and it's right next door to the reception. Now, the reception is open, but only one customer in there at a time, and of course you have to wear the mask. And over here we have the toilet block, so there's the ladies, and there's the gents. And the idea is that we each get given a band with a number on it. Ours is number 43. And right on the entrance here, we've got the hand sanitizer, a sign telling you a few instructions of what to do. And we've got a couple of hooks here that you put your band on. So here, it's fully occupied, so we can't go in. However, so you don't have a band that you put on there?
Well, I did, I put it on there.
Oh, right. So the gents is available, except as you just noticed, not all of the kind of, not so much breaking the rules, I guess you just forget. Anyway, there's mine going on. And of course we have every other cubicle here is closed. Urinals are closed off except for one. There's only one sink available, and every other cubicle here is closed off as well. Well, it is a bit windy, but we have come for a walk. We've arrived at Bearsted Village. This is the green, and all the properties all around it. They're from medieval times, Tudor times, Georgian times, and Victorian times. So it's very much of a mixture of architecture around here. It's very interesting and very old. Oldest cricket club as well, I think I read. And here is Bearsted House. We noticed a bit weird, this bit here, that's ivy or something. Look at it, it's immaculately made into a perfect square. I wonder if there's any windows behind that. You'd have thought there would be. This is Ivy House, where Edward Thomas, the poet and writer, used to live in early 1900s. And this is Bearsted Library, which actually used to be their national school. This looks fairly new round here. And that looks a bit worn out round there. Look at this wonderful building or buildings. The strange witch hat roofs. In fact, they actually move in the wind. See that one there? Moving in the wind. Oh, that one. Wow. Now Bearsted has like a big nice area with trees, and it's called a woodland truss walk, and it has an orchard. So I'm off scrumping because just like last weekend, cookers. We're going to make a apple pie, hopefully. and along our walk, if we find some blackberries, we'll put them in there as well. We are back in Herman, and it is time to make our blackberry and apple pie. We have our sugar and cinnamon. We have our Bramley cooking apples picked up from the orchard. We have our blackberries locally picked, and we have our pastry. Our pie has been baked. It's looking a bit brown at the top, but that is not a problem. Just come out of our halogen oven, and we have custard, and we have single cream. So which side do you want?
Wow, that's a big piece, isn't it?
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the juices in that. Oh, the cinnamon. You can smell all the cinnamon. Oh, look at all the juices. Happy Zoe's.
What is those?
I don't know.
Oh.
And the rest is mine.
Okay. Very crispy.
It's crispy. Well, do you know why?
Yes. Because the top's all brown.
Suctioned on. And the rest was going to be Chaz and Liz's. However, they're not going to be appearing this weekend, so we're going to have the rest of it tomorrow, most likely. So you just got custard on yours, have you?
Yeah.
What's it like?
It's very nice. Melts in the mouth.
Does it?
Pastry's nice, isn't it?
Crispy pastry. It's sweet and sharp at the same time. Sharp, probably bitter, kind of. Good morning, everybody. It is now Sunday, and as you can see, we are
Going swimming.
we're going swimming. No, we're going for a cycle ride. Not entirely sure yet where we're going. Options are Leeds Castle, Moat Park, Maidstone,
And there's even
or
that.
just getting lost somewhere.
Yeah, it's the Woodland Trust we didn't see all of, did we?
No.
So
No, that's right. It is very overcast, but the sun is coming through slowly, so hopefully it's going to be a dry day. Right, well, we've been cycling around Moat Park. We've just decided to stop off for a little bit of a picnic. Zoe has prepared some lovely cheese, ham and tomato sandwiches. Where we are right now is right on the lake here. People are preparing paddle boards and going out in pedlos and canoes. But we're going to have our sandwiches, go around the lake on our bikes, and then probably head into Maidstone. That was amazing. You can take rides on these as well, obviously. They've got seats and everything. I have no idea how much it costs, but that'd be fun. We are now in Maidstone. We cycled through the high street. Not much to see really, but now we've just crossed a very busy road, and we're in a much better place, I think. So over there is the Carriage Museum. I wonder what they have in there. All Saints Church is just over there. And this is the Archbishop's Palace. First started being built before the Doomsday Book was created. We've had to cut our cycling short. My bike decided to have a flat tyre. I don't think it's a puncture, I think it's the valve that's dodgy, and every time I pump it up, actually letting out more air. I don't know. So anyway, it's completely flat now. And we managed to make it back to the Herman, and then we decided to see if we can go have a little walk to Leeds Castle, which is where we are now, so we could take some photographs, even if we just couldn't, get in, because we know we needed to book. However, this is what you see from the car park.
Because it's 20 minutes away, isn't it?
It's a bit of a walk from the car park to Leeds Castle,
Yeah.
so we're not even going to be able to see it.
But then everybody would do that, wouldn't they? If they came here, just took some pictures and went.
Yeah, I
Probably
suppose
why
so.
they do it, isn't it?
I suppose so. But it's going to be a matter of walking back. The sun's just come out.
Very warm, isn't it?
We thought we would book a ticket for tomorrow, because we're going home tomorrow. And we thought, I'll pop in here, get in the morning. But no, it's all booked up. So we're going to basically head back to Herman along that nasty A20, very busy road, and probably end up tucking into the rest of that blackberry and apple pie.
Oh dear. Oh, it's been very nice, hasn't it? Nice and quiet.
Well, we've come to the end of our bank holiday weekend, and we're heading home now. We've had a lovely time. The weather eventually brightened up for us, and it's didn't really rain except for that first night, did it? But what do you think of the campsite, and what do you think
Oh, we had a good
of their band thing?
Yeah, it didn't work, did it?
No.
Because often, because there's only meant to be 2 people in there, and you have to hang your band on the hook.
I found that there's 3 people would come in, be in.
And then one lady
Forgot me band, or
came out
didn't have it on
and
them.
said, "Oh, you've forgotten your band." She said, "Oh, I didn't put my band there."
Yeah, I don't think the band system kind of worked here. Maybe it's just a few people, right?
Can't be bothered.
Yeah, can't be bothered. Don't think of others. Because that's what it's all about. It's not about protecting yourself, it's about protecting others, really. If you enjoyed our little video, please give it a thumbs up. You may consider watching another video. You might want to consider watching this one here, where we put a big hole in Herman's floor to fix some water damage. The hole is this big. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't, do consider subscribing, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. And until next time, say goodbye, Zoe.
Goodbye.
Ta-da.